I would be willing to bet that most artists, some exceptions, have the same fear, being seen, afraid to bother people, and that fear may or may not be known to them. And that's what's stopping them. I did that at first too, procrastinated making the videos when I first started. I didn't follow up as well as I could have when the first ad ran. So a lot of things, all that fear makes one procrastinate. The discomfort maybe lasts a day at most. I wasn't surprised because I felt so good about how I did the video. It just fell into place. It was just one of those moments where I had been worrying about reading the script. I don't like looking at the phone. It looks like I'm reading. Isaiah made a nice video from the 3 different takes. So I felt pretty good about that. I thought, oh, this is going to get a good response. And it has. It's probably better than I even thought it would be. So I'm very grateful that it's happening. Well, that's why I did the continuation because, well, I had made some progress at that point at the end of 4 months, but I wasn't quite ready to go on my own. And I thought, I really got to protect my investment by throwing a little more money at it. So I'm glad I did.